Hey, Pokemon fans, it's CJ here again. Just wanted to open up some more decks and weigh them at the same time. I've got my weighing kit here. I've got some Unified Minds that I've already weighed, and then I've got some Unified Minds that weigh more right here. 10 of each. We got 10 of each. I bought quite a few today. I got some more. We got some more we can open up, but I opened quite a few already, and noticed that something is wrong here. I think I'm pretty new at this, so anyway, let's see what we got. Oh, these are just some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Y'all, you know what they're called. You know me. Looks like I got a foil. At all these. These are pretty nice though. I mean, the artwork is great on these. Not sure what those are. Yu-Gi-Oh? Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Anyways, I'll put that up here. There. Toss this side here. Alright, let's see here. Okay. Alright, let's open up a pack that weighs only 7.72. I've already weighed these earlier, and these are one of the lower packs that didn't weigh anything. Now, I got these all from the dollar store, so there might not be anything at all. And nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing up here. Alright, now this pack weighs more. This pack weighs almost 0.1/10 more. Almost 0.1/10 more. So it should have some kind of holographic card in there. Should. And there it is. There it is. A Pipo. I'm not sure if that's saying that right. I'm horrible with names, but yep. So I gotta pull the Pipo there. Out of the first one that weighed more. Let's see here. Let's do another one that weighs more. Unified Mind, by the way. Unified Mind. Weighs almost exactly the same as that last one. Exactly. And there we go. Oh, finally, I got wow. I got a roulette and something else, something. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what it is, but I got a rainbow something. Rare. I'm not sure how to tell. That's pretty cool. Awesome. So, well, anyways, it's the first one I pulled out of there. It's all cool. All right. Now let's do another crappy one that it weighs 7.72, which is way less than that last pack. Don't. I got 3 cards. Oh yeah, I got 3 cards. And nothing. And star. I guess that's the rare. It's the rare you're gonna get there. Yeah. Put a stars over here. So far we got. Yeah, put this back here. That's the first one I pulled too. All right. This Unified Minds weighs more, I think. Yep, this weighs more, a little bit more. Like this holographic. Sorry, like this. Can't get these damn things open. I got I'm not sure what it is. I got a trainer card. I'm not sure what that is, but it's a full hollow trainer card. I'm not sure what that is. All right, I'll pick up the speed here. Sure. This one's a crappy deck that doesn't weigh much. This one does not weigh anything. See how much, if there's anything good in here. Throw that away. And nothing. Oh, there's a rare here. A star on it. A Dragonite rare. Star. Got a Dragonite. There we go. Let's just do the heavy ones. Yep, this one's heavier. I bought quite a few though for only to be this many heavy ones. 10. There's only 10 heavy ones out of the whole thing. So, oh, and again, the heavier one got me a, not sure, Espinendextol. GX. I'm not sure what that means. Star. Anyways, see that? Pretty cool. That's a pretty cool card. Put that right there for now. Check that out. Regular bullcrap, I think. Alright, another one that weighed... Oh, this one weighs even more than all of them. This one weighs a 1/10 more. 1/100th more. Oh, this came with something else. This came with a Jolty. Not sure. A Joltic. Anyways. Alright. Came with a Joltic. Good to go. Alright. Let's open one more shitty one. Doesn't weigh shit. Yep. Again, doesn't weigh anything. That's all we got. Don't even want them. Alright, see, this one weighs a little bit more. Let's see if it has anything good in it. I'll let you guys look before me. You see anything good? I see something. So I can't say these words, pronounce these words for nothing. It's got a star on it though. It's got a star on it, so I guess it's a hollow. That'll work. That'll work. All right, down to 4 packs left here. Let's check it out. Throw that one over there, and looks like we got a snore out or something. Kind of a little bit of hollow. Oh, hollow there. Snore out. It's kind of cool. Anyways, put him over here in that pile, and a few more here. This one's glued together really tight. I feel like there's something special in this one. y'all look first. Anything good? Oh, I got them upside down. I'm sorry. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, came with the nice. Sorry, my hands are that steady. Not sure what it is. Let me know down in the comments what the hell this is and how much it's worth, maybe. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I'm just trying to get into the hobby, and I went and got some of these at the dollar store, and I'm just trying to mess around and see what's going on. And I knew you can kind of weigh them, and I already opened 30 packs of this other one, and they were definitely weighed because I opened like 30 packs and didn't get anything. All right, another heavy pack. I got a turtle. Tortuga. That's pretty cool. I like that card. It's nice. Tortuga. Anyways. Yeah, crap, and crap. Tortuga. Oops. And this last one here. Last heavy pack here. Let's see here. Please tell me I got something good. Please tell me I got something good, community. Something? What is something? Yay! Alright, man. I got a slow poke and side duck. Alright. I'm not sure what the hell that is, but alright. Yes. Alright, man. Cool. Alright, my last pull. Yes. Alright, guys. Well, I guess that does it for another episode of brand new Pokemon collector / just want to do it for fun, and I'll vlog about it next time. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and then I'll go get more of them. Thank you, guys. Alright, bye.